Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Yeah, so straight to today's bars, we have Afia Schwar's nigga blast Kumawood actress Vivian and also reveals more damning secrets about her. Yeah, so controversial Ghanaian actress and comedian Afia Schwar has descended heavily on her colleague actress Vivian. Yes, so in a new video cited on Instagram, Afia Schwar accused Vivian of bribing some people to insult and attack her. Afia used unprintable words in insulting Vivian, including that she looks like an old Japanese woman with cheeks like cushion. Afia also claimed that Vivian does not know the father of her son, Alfie, and dropped another bombshell that the actress slept with the top National Democratic Congress, that's NDC man, who owns a radio station. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
Meow, now me say 2021 we come in maybe, but enkofo bi hu adaje. O Vivian wa funu se kushimbo. Mo friend mra. Wo Vivian wo na akwaba me ho pa na aboa. Wo ba no ne papa ne hwan. Kwasiaba. Wo se muti wa mo mpa asumdue. Wo de manana grad enwie di oye na me ni umienu wo Vivian wo wanim se Japan ya bere wa aboa. Kwasia. Momoto wa mo nwene o aboa kwasia NDC di no di wu no radio station no ka Vivian ka e ma me meka aboa wo kobo pass e medi matem hunyu nwunu nya aboa funu ate kwasia nkwa na ne obi kuna wo awaboka aboa funu utimi ko wo extra he mo ma jimi o mo nim nyansa o wo ni twase wate kwasia ba Adiam de ba ya wo Vivian na dia frɛ me o trying papa bi wota kwa on ye frɛ wo kuben bomodi ana hwehwɛ me wate hwehwɛ me okuben yire hwehwɛ me wate papa no wota kwa na frɛ no okuben no ne yire okuben yire hwehwɛ me Afia Schwar o ni edi broni be hye wukunu wa wo hye wukunu se de ositi wo ya otimi wo half class man ye hwehwɛ me madam hwehwɛ me o Sheshame ni akodia be she wukunu sheshame mo semonye metwodi amompe ekro we wu a wo se woni mentia masomdue no wo betu na metim wo ni twasiri okuban yire sheshame ni akodi ade be she wukunu